gonna give it like a big good amount of the condensed glue gel, so it's really thick density. So you're gonna need to take about a size of a smaller 3D pointed back crystal, and then you can start adding it. Can you guys seeing it? Oh, I'm sorry. Here you go. Hold on. Wait a minute. It's hard to do the old nail. I move too much with my nails. So with this, it's really cool. It's thick density, so you are going to use this and then make sure they are lean. It's really well together. And then the favorite crystal piece. Oh my gosh, so gorgeous. All right, so I'm gonna have some little pieces right here. I'm gonna add it on.
Hey Brazil, yep, so we was just talking about ABS Chicago, and we're super excited to see everyone.
Brazil, is it you? I do my nails and also added prep one set of the press on nails as well for myself, because you know that we are working is excited, and also we're working on the like setting up the boots, and we're so excited with the team, so I'm gonna always get one set to you ready. All right, so now we're gonna flash cure first before you are moving on rest of the designs, okay? I'm using the chains. All right, do you know how long that took me to finish this? The set. I using a Coffin's extra long tips, Velvetty gels on this, the products on this hand, and then acrylic on the other hands. It's normally will take me about 3 to 4 hours to finish the set for the clients, if it's like really is you call Instagram nails. If it for myself, because you know we created all different looks for the shows, and it take me a little bit longer. All right, I can't pick up things now. All right, so I'm gonna just give it a little bit of a cut here. Cut it and then save it in the futures for any future use. So now we're gonna go ahead and using condensed glue gels again. This is the first step from our crystal trifecta, and it will definitely is hold your crystal, your chain, and your charms in one's place. Did my nails okay? Getting nowhere. So you can see that it's really thick densities, and I am spreading my bristles so as make sure that it's not going to be too much and too little. Too much is gonna flood up my crystal. Too little is not going to hold this chains and the rest of the crystal. So I'm not doing a top coat yet. I am going to place this one right here. I'm gonna wrap around the 3D and see where is that at. All right. This one I did is encapsulate Sky Bling, which is a new acrylics. It's gonna be launching in ABS, and is a new fall color liquid and powder. All right.
Hey, Colin. Currently, we can only ship to U.S., Canada, and Puerto Rico. So whenever COVID get a little bit better and international shipping can resume again, we'll let you know.
Yes, we're excited. We can't wait to get back into the shipping in the internationals again. So I am going to floating the no wipe top coat on the top of Ankia condensed glue gels, and you can see that I coated right on the top also of the metal chain too. And on the edges like this, I love it's how it looks, and I will definitely gonna cover and seals really well. With the precision glue gel. All right, so I'm gonna open this gloves crystals right here. I might get some pink too. All right. I'm using this Kids #1 Crystal Kids. Where does the shipping one? Is the Marquise. For my Kids #1, I'm loving it. I don't know if I can show you. Just a little bit. You might be can hold it, babe. Hold in here. Show. Because I think it start moving this paper. There you go. If you can hold it up for us. Just show us a little bit. And see what's up. I mean, show it to us. Oh my gosh. I'm so obsessed with this. Look. The gloves crystals. Oh my gosh, so adorable. So adorable. And I'm gonna go it's right tight closer to the big centerpiece. And then you can add it on. I always love to place this along with the big centerpiece though. All right, we're gonna move. Sorry if I miss any comments. Can you check to see if I miss any comments at all?
No, you're good. Everybody loving it.
It's really interesting because it's doing your own nails versus doing your client's nails. It's so much fun, and it took me 7 hours to do my set. Normally it takes faster. However, every time we go into the show, we always created some really fun nails, and you can see them are not like match. They just mix match. They're not match because we're gonna showcase all of these beautiful products, and then we want to share with you how we achieve the looks using Glitz accessories and such products. We want you to be able to you know, really enjoying it, the shows, and also learning some cool tip and trick. And we want to share everything we have and then everything we know with you. I'm gonna do one more right here to lock my chains in, and I'm gonna wipe it off on the side to make sure that all of the excess is condensed glue gels and no wet top coats will not gonna affect or changing the shape of my nails. Just gently just remove it on the side, and then cure, flash cure. Before that is the best thing about condensed glue gels and no wipe top coat is not going to set to cure until you are going to cure under LED light. I think it's like beside busy or working, like getting your nails done in your own time is really like satisfying. It's really like therapies to me, as in my opinions. I think in my thought. All right, I'm happy with this. We are going to cure. All right, I'm gonna push all the beads is next to each other so then they won't like being fall apart, because I've been like till my nails a lot. Flash cure.